Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Let's Play Pokemon Red. Yeah, Red version. Uh, Shit, where'd I put my headphones? Oh well. Guess I'll have to just listen. Alright, or not listen. And just turn it down. Oh wait, no, I don't want to continue. Shit. Exit. Shit. Oh, I fucked up. Nothing really much has happened, really. I just got out of my room and shit. Plus, you guys have already probably played Red, so. Hey, wait, don't go out. It's unsafe. Wild Pokemon live in tall grass. You need your own Pokemon for your protection. I know. Here, come with me. Okay. What were you earlier, you big bag? Gramps, I'm fed up with waiting. I'll just name my guy Red and Gary Blue. Let me think. Oh, that's right. I told you to come. Just wait. Here, Red. Here are 3 Pokemon in here. Haha. They are inside Pokeballs. When I was young, I was a serious Pokemon trainer. Those are huge Pokeballs. In my old age, I have only 3 left. But you can have one. Choose. Hey, Gramps, what about me? Be patient, Blue. You can have one too. That rhymed. Charmander. Now we're gonna look through all of them. So there's Charmander. There's Squirtle, tiny turtle. After birth, its back swells and hardens into a shell. Powerfully sprays foam from his mouth. No. And then Bulbasaur. A strange seed was put on his back at birth. The plant sprouts and grows with this Pokemon. Do you want the plant Pokemon Bulbasaur? No. So which one should I choose? Like, put it down in the comments below. But I'm just gonna pick one. For now, and I'll start a new game for you guys, and I'll pick the one that got the most votes. So here we go, Charmander. So you have choice between Charmander, Squirtle, or Bulbasaur. So yeah. Red received a Charmander. Do you want to give it a nickname to Charmander? Again, put it in the comments below with your vote, I guess. For now, I won't. And I'll just start a new game with the coolest nickname I find. I'll take this one then. Oh, that nigga took Squirtle. Alright, wait, Red. Let's check out our Pokemons. Come on, I'll take you on. Okay then, Pokemon. I'm doing this on an emulator, by the way. I'll leave a link to the emulator and the ROM in the description. Hopefully I'll remember. So yeah, this is the first bite of the game, or fight of the game. Scratch. Enemy squirrel used tail whip, but it failed. You scratch. Ah. Enemy squirrel used tackle. Shit. Critical hit. Scratch. Only tag mainly. Enemy squirrel used tackle. Ow. Do I have any rhymes? No. Scratch. Enemy squirrel used tackle. Please don't lose, because then he's gonna be harder later on. Shit, man. Please win, please win. No, 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 no. No, please win. He's gonna. No. Oh, yes, yes. Thank you, bad judgment. Shit. Thank God. Holy crap. Shit. Red defeated blue. Wow. What? Unbelievable. I picked the wrong Pokemon. Oh, I got $175. Smell you later, Grants. Oh, you're cool. But, okay, just gotta make sure. Because I don't want to be going into no fights with 2 HP. Change color. Shit. What? Dun, 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 dun. Wow, Pidgey appeared. Go Charmander. Scratch. After this fight, after this battle, I'll end it. I think. Yeah, I'll just end it. Scratch. Enemy Pidgey used Gust. Critical hit. Fight. Scratch. Charmander used Scratch. Enemy Pidgey fainted. Charmander gained 23 XP points. Oh shit. This one's gonna fuck me up. Yeah, I'll just comment which Pokemon you want me to choose next time. And the one that gets the most votes, I'll pick. And with your vote, just say a cool nickname that I should name it, and I'll pick the one that I find either the most hilarious or just the most, I guess, cool, I guess, that I think. Until next time, like and favorite, and don't be a hater. Laters.